Colorful bubbles from soap solution. Nice patterns on the road after rains are not new. Let us explore more with this activity. We will create a transparent soap solution with dishwashing liquid soap and mix it with normal tap water. I mixed 1 part of dishwashing liquid soap with 7 parts of normal tap water. You can choose any available liquid and try the proportion of water which works for you. For good results, keep the mixture undisturbed for at least 12 hours. Let us pour this mixture on a shallow plate. This will allow us to dip containers of different sizes. We will take a black cup and dip its mouth in the soap solution. You can take any other container as well. A very thin soap film is formed on the top. Let us place this cup sideways on a white paper. When viewed from an angle, nice colorful patterns emerge even if the soap solution is transparent. With the passage of time, these colorful bands move downwards. Slightest air turbulence moves the pattern around as well. With most of the soap solution at the bottom, all that is left is the transparent film. What could be the reason for this? Light is reflecting off the front surface and back surface of the soap film, interfering with itself, creating color bands. With gravity, the water between the faces of the soap film drains down, making the soap film thin at the top and wide at the bottom. White paper in the front reflects light around onto the soap film. This light is later reflected back into your eyes. The various colors we see are definitely related to wavelength of light, reflection and thickness of the film, which varies across the cross section. How it all works, we will explore in the next video. You can try different containers, colors and shapes as well. Use the flashlight of your mobile phone to view these colors in different forms. We can also use light sources of 3 primary colors, that is red, green and blue, instead of just white light. That way, we can predict how these patterns will look in one individual color. Instead of projecting light from the front, you can project it from the back side of the container as well. Or you can project it on the wall to get this nice moving pattern. Directly projecting mobile flashlight onto the film creates a disco light pattern. Do try this at home. Thank you.